So we have some news about Joe Shimoda, and this is coming from Honda Racing USA from their Instagram saying, quote, Joe Shimoda is confirmed to compete in round 7 of the DID All Japan Motocross Championship aboard the all-new 2025 CRF 450R. The event takes place at Off-Road Village in Kawagao, Saitama Prefecture on September 28th and 29th, 1 week after the completion of the Super Motocross Series. Without complications, Shimoda's collarbone should not be an issue at that point. Now, I'm gonna have to comments down below. I'm gonna ask you guys: does that mean he's not racing SMX? Because maybe I'm wrong about this, but I thought I saw something or heard or read or whatever that both him and Jet were going to be back for SMX. So is this saying he's not going to be and he's going to be racing this afterwards, or he's doing full sets? Because if he's doing SMX, why would it matter at this point if it's after SMX if his collarbone's going to be fine? It's kind of a weird, I don't know, to me it's worded very strangely. He has done this before in 2022 when he went 1-1 on a 450. So this isn't exactly a surprise or a new thing for him. And he had a quote saying, "I'm stoked on the opportunity to race in my home country. The fans there show me so much support, and I want to thank them by going back to race as often as I can." And it's kind of funny. It's one of those things that, like, you have the people talking about 31 races is too many, and then you have people doing this or going to, OzX or Paris or Supercross or World X or WSX. And it's just kind of a, who knows how many like extra races they throw on that aren't even part of it. Obviously, he had his collarbone surgery 2 weeks ago now. And the video you saw, I don't know if that's from just a gear shoot from who knows months back or recently. Maybe he's back on the bike, who knows? But the quote on the video, for the broken English that it is, says, "Take it as clavicle plate equals upgraded collarbone." It's kind of a weird way of saying it, but he could be back on the bike. I mean, you've seen like people, was it Cody Shock, who had broke his collarbone and then the next weekend he was racing again. So these guys, the collarbone injuries, plates on them, they're basically right back on the bike. And I don't know, it's kind of cool news. I don't know. You guys tell me. Well, one, again, like I said, is he racing SMX? Does anybody actually know? Has that been confirmed, or what's going on there, or is he skipping it to heal and then race that? But I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.